Dear friends, welcome back to Automate with Rakesh. In this video, I am going to help you to enable UiPath Insights. UiPath Insights is a UiPath product which is related to your analytics. UiPath Insights is an RPA analytics solution. The moment you have built automations on your orchestrator or your entire automation platform, you would like to track certain data. So this is the product which would help you for any kind of analytic solution with respect to UiPath and its products. You can track, measure and manage the performance of your entire automation program so you can scale your automation journey to the next level. Now, how do you really enable this? Let me show you. For this, go to the admin page. Once you log into cloud.uipath.com, click on the admin page. In the admin page, you have something called licenses. Click on licenses. Now, if you are a person who has installed or gone for a community edition, come to this place, consumables, free trials. In the free trials, you may see Insights as one of the product. Okay, so if you click on this learn more, this brings you to this page where you can understand about UiPath Insights. There is also a video available. You can go through them. But here our main goal is to how do I enable it. So I have come here and I'm going to click on start trial. And here it will say sign up for 60-day free trial and you will get access to Insights service and 10 Insights designer users. So you would also have license 10 designer license you will get to give you complete control over who has access to Insights. Only the tenant that you choose and users who you give permission to will have access to the product. Okay. So by default, you will get 10 Insights designer license. By proceeding with this request, I understand the specific terms and okay. So I'm going to hit on activate trial. So trial is being requested. All right. Trial expiry is on October 24, 2024. Insights license allows the service to be enabled. So now you can see it is enabled. So now what I will do, I'm going to just refresh the page. Let me go back to the org. And if I come back to the licenses once again, let's see what happened. Robot and services, and here you can see the Insights license is there. Insights license allows the service to be enabled on any given tenant. Okay, so I think I got the license. Now let me go to this tenant licenses. Okay, so I have all this license at the moment. I'm going to click on edit allocation and automation developer, production, testing license, orchestrator. Okay, now let me go back, licenses, robot and services. So I see the Insights license. Now I would like to enable this here. So if you refresh, let me see, click on this, click on Insights. Okay, so it has automatically detected you have 61 days left in your trial. Okay, so now I have got the Insight license. Now what happens, what this gives you, it gives you all these options enabled. Configure ROI data set. All these options will be enabled. Manage access, manage schedule alerts. You'll have complete access to work on it. Okay. All right. So now the UiPath Insights is enabled for me. Automate with Rakesh Insights at home. And here I have got something called UiPath templates. And these are the templates we are going to learn one by one. There's a lot to learn in UiPath Insights. Please watch my next video to see how do you deal with UiPath Insights as a product and how you can take benefit of all the available UiPath templates that we have. One by one, we will try to use these templates and see what benefit we could get out of them. Thank you for watching. Let's move on to our next topic.